To set or change your Pluxee card PIN. 1. Open the Pluxee app, formerly Sodexo, on your phone. 2. Log in using your registered mobile number or email address. 3. On the home screen, tap My Cards. 4. Select the card for which you want to set or change the PIN. 5. Tap on Set Change PIN or Manage Card PIN. 6. Enter your current PIN if you already have one, or skip if you're setting it for the first time. 7. Type your new 4-digit PIN and confirm it by entering it again. 8. You'll receive a one-time password OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter it to verify. 9. Once confirmed, your new PIN will be updated instantly, and you can use it for both in-store and online transactions. 10. If you face any issues, contact Pluxee customer support via help@pluxee.com.